Assalamu alaikum. Az-Zari'a ila Makarim al-Sharia, often referred to as Az-Zari'a, written by the 11th century scholar Al-Ragib Al-Isfahani, is a masterpiece of Islamic philosophy and ethics. It bridges the gap between spiritual aspirations and the practical realities of living on earth. What if I told you that according to one of history's greatest scholars, this world is actually the essential workshop for your soul? Today, we're diving into Az-Zari'a ila Makarim al-Sharia by Al-Ragib Alasfahani. We're going to explore why your worldly life isn't just a waiting room for the afterlife, but a sacred responsibility that defines who you are. The three pillars of purpose. Al-Isfahani argues that God didn't put humans on earth just to survive. He outlines three specific reasons why our worldly existence is vital. Imara al-Ard, cultivation of the earth. We aren't just visitors, we are stewards. Al-Isfahani emphasizes that building societies, advancing knowledge, and maintaining the environment are acts of worship. Ibadah, this isn't just prayer. It's the recognition of a higher power through every action we take. So this is the heavy lifting. It means representing divine values like justice, mercy, and wisdom within the physical world. You cannot achieve Makarim al-Sharia, the nobility of the law, by abandoning the world. You achieve it by engaging with the world correctly. The human perspective, balance. What makes Al-Isfahani's writing so relatable is his middle path approach. He doesn't tell you to be a hermit. The body versus the soul. He explains that the soul is like a rider and the body is the horse. If you neglect the horse, the body, worldly needs, the rider, the soul, will never reach its destination. The tool for perfection. The world is the only place where we can practice virtues like courage, generosity, and patience. You can't be generous if you have nothing to give. You can't be patient if you never face hardship. References for your description box. Primary source: Al-Ragib Al-Isfahani, Az-Zari'a ila Makarim al-Sharia, The Means to the Noble Qualities of the Divine Law. This work heavily influenced later scholars like Imam Al Gazali, particularly in his Ihya Ulum al-Din. Al-Ragib Alasfahani categorizes virtues into a specific hierarchy. He believes that to reach the noble qualities, makarim, a person must develop four specific types of human perfection. The four pillars of human excellence. Wisdom, al-hikmah. This isn't just knowing facts. It's the ability to distinguish between truth and falsehood. Al-Isfahani argues that the world is a laboratory for testing your intellect. Without navigating worldly complexities, your wisdom remains theoretical and useless. Courage, al-shaja. You can't be courageous in a vacuum. Worldly life provides the fears and challenges like poverty, social pressure, or physical danger that allow the soul to practice bravery. It's the balance between being a coward and being reckless. Temperance, al-ifa. This is the virtue of self-control. The world is full of desires, food, wealth, and status. Al-Isfahani explains that the importance of these worldly desires is to provide a resistance that strengthens your willpower. If there was no temptation, purity would have no meaning. Justice, al-ad. This is the ultimate virtue that balances the other three. In Az-Zari'a, justice is seen as the social glue. Living in a society, worldly life is the only way to practice justice by giving everyone their due rights.